Hey everyone, so I've been using Wix to build websites for the past few months, and I just discovered 5 features that would have saved me hours if I knew about them from day one. Seriously, I'm a little frustrated with myself for not finding these sooner. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through each one of these game-changing features step by step. And trust me, by the end of this video, your Wix workflow is going to be so much faster. So let's jump in. Alright, feature number 1 is called Section Quick Add, and this one is a total time saver. Let's jump over to the Wix editor. So when you're in the Wix editor, look at the very top left of your screen. You'll see this button that's called Add Section. So it's in this left panel here. You want to click Add Section. Now when you click this, Wix opens up this library of pre-designed sections. We're talking hero sections, galleries, contact forms, testimonials, services, subscribe, clients, all kinds of sections that you can add to your website. And the best part, they're already designed and ready to go. So instead of building everything from scratch like I was doing for the first 3 websites, you can just click on any one of these sections and it drops it right into your page. So let's go ahead and select subscribe. Click on this. And here you go, we have some different options for subscribe. So we can, let's go ahead and just pick this one. And just like that, all I did was left click and it added that section to my web page. Now here you can go in and edit this section just like any other section. You can edit each element. So you can edit each picture, the background, the text boxes, everything. You can simply edit this and tailor it to your need. If you don't like where it's positioned, you can simply hit this down arrow, for example, if you want to move it down, and move it down section by section. So we'll go ahead and put this down at the bottom. I like it right there. We'll put it right there. So you can see how quickly we added a section, especially one that's tailored to something you want to do. So for instance, this is a subscribe. So this is where they would subscribe to a monthly newsletter, or if they want to get emails from me regarding, best of recipes. Again, and then you can just simply add more sections. We'll add services. We'll go ahead and pick this one. And once again, left click and it added that section right to the web page. And then once again, you can simply edit each image. You can change the image, blow it up. You can do whatever you want with it. Same with the text boxes. Real easy to do this, real quick to add a section using this format. I truly like it. I think you'll love it. Give it a shot. All right, feature number 2 is the Wix AI Text Creator. This one's a lifesaver if you ever get stuck staring at a blank text box not knowing what to write. And let's face it, that happens to all of us. So here's how it works. Simply click on a text box, and you want to click the sparkle icon right here, which as you can see is AI Tools. So select that. And then it pulls up a menu where you can generate new text or improve the existing text by rewriting the text. You can make it shorter, you can change the tone to enthusiastic, you can fix grammar and spelling, or you can edit it with the text creator. So let's go ahead and generate new text. And we'll go ahead and give it a prompt. Write a compelling headline for a recipe website about page. So we'll click this right arrow here. And there you go. It's that quick. AI created a headline for the About page for this recipe site. And you have options here. You can use the text if you like it, or you can click rephrase if you don't like it and have it generate a new one. You can make it shorter. You can change the tone and make it professional, enthusiastic, casual, confident, or funny. You can translate it to another language. You can click see more and you can make it longer, write as bullets, simplify the language, or generate options. And here you can click this pick box and tell it, hey, give me 4 more options. So let's go ahead and click that. So now if we scroll up, we have the original rewrite here, and then we have 4 more options to choose from. So let's just say we want to use the original. We'll go ahead and use text, and just like that, it changed the headline to what you see here. Welcome to our culinary journey, where every recipe tells a story. So this works for everything like product descriptions, about us sections, even blog post intros. You can literally beat writer's block in seconds. You can do this on any text box. Feature number 2, AI text creator. This is an absolute game changer. All right, feature number 3, site history. Now, have you ever made a change to your website and immediately regretted it? Or worse, you can't remember how it looked before? Yeah, me too. I've done that many times. That's where site history saves the day. Here's how to find it. So this is our current site, and we're in the editor. So we just made this change a minute ago with feature number 2. To go to a previous version, you want to navigate back to your dashboard. So go to dashboard. Okay, once you're in your dashboard, you want to, over here on the left panel, you want to navigate down to settings. Click settings. And then you want to scroll down to the section at site, domain, and SEO. And here you want to click website settings. Once you're in website settings, scroll down to the bottom, and this is where your site history is. View and restore previous versions of your site. You want to click restore versions. And then as you can see, I have all kinds of previous versions over here in the left panel. So you can pick one. We'll pick this one February 6th. We'll pick this one at 5:21 p.m. on February 6th. So click this arrow, and it'll load that version in your view. And as you can see, if we scroll down to the About page, it's back to where it says About Best of Recipes. So if you like this version better than what we currently have, then you can simply click Restore. Restore this version. Before restoring, close any other tabs where you are editing the site and check that nobody else is currently editing the site. So we'll go ahead and cancel this for now. I do have this over here. And that's it. So we'll go ahead and click Restore. And pops up one more message, version restored to editor. You can edit site or stay here. So we'll go ahead and just edit site. So it'll load that version into your editor. It takes a few seconds to do that. And once it's loaded, you'll see that at the top, I have this transparent video right here that I didn't have in the previous version that we worked on a few minutes ago. And if we scroll down, you'll see that the About page header is back to About Best of Recipes. And there you have it. So this is like an undo button for your entire website. So no more panicking when you accidentally delete something important. You can go back to a previous version, restore it, and start over. Site history has your back. Feature number 3, use it, love it. Feature number 4, the mobile editor. Now this is huge because most people are viewing your website on their phones, right? That seems to be the trend nowadays. But here's what I didn't realize when I first started using Wix. The mobile version of your site is separate from the desktop version. So right now we have the desktop version loaded in our editor. To switch to the mobile version of the editor, you want to click on this switch to mobile icon right here, which resembles a phone. Click here, and it will load our website into the mobile editor, which is a separate editor from the desktop editor. So here's the thing, you can actually hide elements on mobile that show up on desktop. So for example, if we look at, let's go back to desktop. And then if we do a preview of the desktop version, You'll see I have these transparent videos loaded on top of each other, adding a nice little interactive look and feel to the website. It looks a little different on mobile, so let's go back to editor. And then we'll switch over to mobile. So if I scroll down, here they are. See, they're not stacked on top of each other. And from a mobile perspective, I mean, they look okay. We can do a preview. And there you go. They're acting individually. They're not stacked on top of each other. So the mobile view changed the look and feel from the desktop view. So let's go back to editor. I don't like that. I could probably stack them, but I don't think I really want to have transparent video on the mobile view. So the best thing to do is hide these elements. So if we click here, click on this video box, do a right click, we can simply do a hide. And that will put it over here and hidden on mobile. We'll click off here. Again, we'll select this to get it to the video box. Do a hide. And then we'll do one more. We'll do hide. And there. Now they're gone. And they're basically stored over here on hidden on mobile. So they're not deleted. They're just hidden. And you can go back and restore. If you want to move one or two back, for example. So you can move elements back and forth when you're hiding them. Go ahead and click off that. Now let's do a preview. So we'll scroll up, and as you can see, the transparent videos, they're no longer on the mobile view of the website. We'll go back to the editor, and we'll click on desktop. And let's scroll up, and you'll see that they are still on the desktop version. So that's what's nice. You can tailor the mobile version and make it a little more unique, and definitely make it different than the desktop version. You can also adjust the spacing, font sizes, button sizes. You can change text. There's a lot you can do to differentiate mobile from desktop. So this way your mobile site looks good, just as professional as your desktop site, and you're not writing a single line of code. Feature number 4, the mobile editor. Don't skip this one. And finally, feature number 5, the design picker. This one's really cool if you want to mix and match different design styles across your pages. So in the Wix editor, you want to click on the Pages menu, which over here in your left panel is the Pages and Menu section. You want to click here. And then here you can see which pages you have loaded. So you have Home, All Recipes, About Me, Contact. These are all loaded on your website and loaded in the editor. You can load additional pages if you want. So if you want to tailor this website for Halloween in October, you can add this page. What's also cool is you can pick a page here like Contact or About Me and click on the 3 dots. And then here you have all kinds of settings you can change. You can go into settings and you can change the name of the page. You can change the layout. You can go from standard to no footer, no header, access, who has access, SEO basics. You can, again, click in these 3 dots. You can do social share. So you can configure your social share for this particular page. And this is just for this page or this section. So this would be just for About Me. And you can change page background. You can connect the background. So say you want to change the page background, you go in here, and then here's a bunch of preloaded images you can change to. So as you can see, the background here is pretty plain. So if you wanted to jazz it up and select this, for example, boom, pops it in there. Gives it some style. And then you can go in and change the color. Again, you can change the image. You can add video. So there's a lot you can do. go back here. Again, click on the About Me, click the three dots, and you can rename this page, copy, set as a home page. You can hide it from the menu if you want to, or if you don't like it, you can delete it. So pretty cool what you can do. There's a lot you can do per page. Make each page or each section, if you want to call it that, unique and different from the other ones on your website. That is the Design Picker. It's a great way to keep things fresh without starting from scratch. Feature number 5 is the Design Picker. I think you'll love it. All right, so there you have it. 5 Wix features I wish I knew about sooner. Quick recap. Section Quick Add for pre-designed sections. AI Text Creator to beat writer's block. Site History to restore previous versions. Mobile Editor for perfect mobile layouts. And Design Picker to mix and match page styles. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which feature you're going to try first. And if you want more Wix tutorials like this, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Take care.